getting the groceries.
No plastic.
No plastic. We hate plastic. We hate plastic. Should we get fruit?
Yeah.
Okay. Courtney. An old man. Go off. Yes. Okay. So how do we make a sandwich? You used to work at a deli.
And she's a female, so she'll be fine with it.
Okay. That.
We're gonna edit that out because that's sexist.
But we won't.
Like the cocaine?
Yeah. I'm like, edit that out.
I go. I'm really good at editing.
Okay.
Okay, so we cut the bread. We're unwrapping the cheese. Okay, cheese on the bottom.
Cheese on the bottom.
I thought it was on top.
You do both.
I
put it on top.
Oh. She's like, you stupid bitch.
Yeah.
You stupid whore.
Some of y'all never worked in a really shitty deli, and it shows.
Ooh, the way you folded that was kind of hot.
Tomatoes.
It's yours.
Did you bite it?
You're right, you're right.
If you're eating out the girl, you gotta give her the whole bed.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm like,
I feel like you would.
they're there, right? Legs are like, oh Jesus. I am in this position, butt ass naked, eating her ass. Okay? Ass is right in the air.
Yeah, it's like really close.
I know, it's cute though. Alyssa's reading about astrology. True.
I hate myself.
That's what she's discovering. But we love Alyssa. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
The hat on now.
I don't know. Should she bun her hair? She should. Going off. Richie's booty looks big. As always, we get it, Richie. You have a big butt. Babies! We almost forgot the sandwiches. The munchies. But we didn't. Don't worry. Well, okay. Nom 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 nom.
Glad I left the rockin' with the kid that spit sick flows. I carried games down for 9 months and gave birth to it. Now I'm
Baby, I can ride you. Just let me get inside you. I can take you higher if you hit this vaporizer. I got that low kick. I'll be your supplier. You wearing all my shit.
We're bringing everything.
Let's go to the beach.
Oh, the shit.
Where's the beach?
Where's the beach?
Who's taking notes?
Lauren is. She's taking notes.
Oh, shit.
Are you vlogging your grilled cheese eating? We love soggy grilled.
They taste like soy sauce. On Facebook, it was like when a white dude drinks White Claw and like Alexa tagged him in it.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
We love the beach.
We're not, man.
Go off.
Did you all get around it? Like, get someone to take it?
That was kind of funny.
Kind of, but not.
It was kind of.
Put it on TikTok.
Yes! Oh my god, I need to get TikTok.
Never. I'm shot.
I don't know when the right time to have Pop-Tarts are.
Right now.
Is it right now?
Never wrong time.
Should we wait?
Kind of Pop-Tart.
They're strawberry. That's a tea.
Shadid? Ben loves the ocean.
The douche. No, the douche.